The Porsche Museum is the place to visit when it comes to the world of fascinating sports cars. It's a place where you can dream with your eyes wide open. Where forgotten memories turn into new emotions. Where you can travel through time on 30,000 horsepower. Where kids will ask their parents if they can go again and again. Where the future is part of our history. The Porsche Museum. It's a place where you arrive as a visitor and leave as a fan.